If you're planning to buy a domain name from Hostinger and want to get it at the lowest possible price, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do that. We're already on the official Hostinger website. Let's start by going to the Domains section. Here, you can search for any domain name you want. For this example, I'm typing a sample domain name, new domain, and clicking on the search button. Now Hostinger shows all the available domain results. From the list, we can see newdomain.com is available. Let's select this domain and add it to the cart. Once the domain is added to the cart, we're taken to the domain configuration page. Here, Hostinger gives us different registration options, such as 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. Now this is where the savings really start. If you select the 3-year option, Hostinger offers a special deal where the first year costs just 1 cent. Because of this offer, the total price for 3 years comes to only $39.99, instead of the regular price of $59.97. That's a solid saving right there. Along with this, you also get some valuable extras included for free. You'll receive free domain privacy protection, which keeps your personal details hidden, and a free coming soon page that you can use before your website goes live. Now let's scroll down to the order summary. In the order summary, you can clearly see the breakdown. The domain registration for 3 years is $39.99. The ICANN fee is just 60 cents. Domain privacy protection is completely free. Tax will be calculated based on your billing address, so the subtotal comes to around $40 before tax. Now here's the most important part. Before completing the purchase, you'll see an option to apply a coupon code. But before applying any coupon, it's always smart to check Techie Coupons. Now switching to the Techie Coupons website. This is Techie Coupons, a trusted website where you can find verified and regularly updated coupon codes for domains, hosting services, and other tech tools. On Techie Coupons, there's a dedicated Hostinger domain store page that lists the latest active Hostinger domain coupon codes, special offers, and step-by-step instructions. On this page, you can quickly check which coupons apply to domain registrations and copy the working coupon code before checkout. This ensures you don't miss any extra savings on top of Hostinger's existing discounts. Once you've copied the Hostinger domain coupon code, let's go back to the Hostinger website. Now back on Hostinger, paste the coupon code into the Apply Coupon field and apply it. If the coupon is valid, you'll see the final total update instantly. After reviewing the discounted price, click Continue and complete your payment. And that's it. You've successfully registered your domain for 3 years at a very low price, unlocked the 1 cent first-year deal, received free domain privacy protection, and saved even more by using a coupon from Techie Coupons. Before buying any domain or hosting service, always check Techie Coupons to find verified coupon codes, active deals, and the best possible discounts. The link to the Hostinger Domains coupon page on Techie Coupons is available in the description.